Hi, Robert Beauchamp here today to go over the intra-oral camera use with the CADI imaging software. So once you've opened up your imaging software and you would like to utilize your intra-oral camera, just click on the intra-oral camera icon in the toolbar. The way that we've set up the camera to work is within a full mouse series. So we've created an intra-oral camera full mouse series numbered from 18 to 11, 21 to 28, 31 to 38, 41 to 48, which are the international numbering systems. You can also program this to have the US numbering system if you'd like. We like to start with the molars in the back, so the first quadrant molar, and the big numbers are actually the sequence that the software will follow when you're acquiring images. We want to make sure that if you are utilizing the OptiView camera or if you use the foot pedal that we can provide for your camera, we want to make sure that the button is red so that we are taking multiple images of the tooth and not advancing through the numerical sequence. With the OptiView camera, you have a button on the camera that allows you to advance. Okay, by just holding the button down, you will advance through the numbers. And the button on the bottom of the camera will now allow you to take pictures of the specific tooth. So if we were looking at the 14, we would go in and we would take multiple shots of the 14. If we would want to advance, we would continue pushing down and we can go to the 12 if we see something on the 12. And we can take more images on the 12. So what this does is it allows you to easily advance through the tooth numbers automatically. And take multiple images on each tooth. Once you've finished, we just exit, save all, and it will automatically go back to your imaging screen with your intra-oral camera open. Anywhere where there's multiple images, you will see the plus sign, which allows you to click on that box, hold the left mouse button for a couple of seconds, and you can now get up all the images that you just took on that tooth